Guys, welcome back. This is Sally Pipes 314 with just a general box opening of Topps Chrome. Now, I'm personally trying to complete the set, inserts included. And since we're slowly getting closer to the release day of Topps Chrome Update, I figured let's pick up a box, see what we can pull. Maybe we'll get something nice out of here. I normally do jumbos, but the local card store that I was shopping at was a little overpriced. So I figured let's just do a regular hobby box and see, maybe we'll get lucky. If you saw my last video, we did just a hobby box of Topps Update. Pulled a couple of nice cards, an on-card auto and a home field advantage. Plus, I had, sadly, my personal eBay store sale for Black Friday has ended. But there's still plenty of great deals. You can always shoot me an offer of anything. Check out that one video I showed, what I have around. So, first pack, we have an Arnaldos Garcia Prism and a Vladdy Jr. Power Players insert. Got Ty Madden. We got another Prism of Logan Gilbert. Refractor of Samuel Aldegari. And Graceffo, it's a regular Chrome rookie. Alright. Jesse Winker, Del Castillo, Emmanuel Clase, and a Julio on the All Etch insert. Billy Cook rookie, Nico Horner, Jeremy Pena, and Aaron Nola on refractor. Lane Thomas, Hayden Birdstone rookie, Seth Lugo, and a nice Aaron Judge on the Fortune 15. I think I actually need that for my set. I'm not really going out and buying singles just yet. Waiting for the holiday season and maybe prices to dip down a little bit. Adam Mazur rookie, Jones Yelich, and Max Muncy rookie refractor. I'll take that. Any type of rookie refractor is always nice. But nothing stand worthy just yet. Hang on a second, knock over some cards here. Okay. Suzuki, Nimmo, Yoshida, and a Kobe Mayo Power Players. I pulled this card so many times. That and Jacob Wilson. I don't know why those two are so prominent with that particular insert. Nick Sogard, Kumar Rocker rookie, Garrett Crochet rookie, and Rafi Devers on the refractor. Matt Olson, Bogarts, Mike Trout, and Francisco Lindor. I've pulled this guy so many times on the All Etch. I probably could have put this set together twice over if it wasn't for like the amount of times I pulled the same inserts, same player. We got Diaz, Kim rookie, Gallen, and Zach Denzio rookie refractor. Nestor Cortez, Matt McLean, got an Alec Burleson Prism, and a Yordi Alvarez Fortune 15. Alright, Matt Shaw, rookie, Kyler Tucker, finally some color. We got a William Contreras. I believe this is teal or aqua at a 199. Jose Ramirez, 35th anniversary. Matt Stram, Sagasi, got a Royce Lewis on the Prism, and a nice Aaron Judge on the 35th. Not numbered. Angel Martinez, Harrison Bader, got a Hernandez on the negative, and an Austin Wells on the Future Stars. I'll put the negative up here, it's a little bit more rare. Brent Rooker, Garrett Cole, Kyle Schwarber, and a Bo Bichette on Refractor. So we have 5 packs to go. Still haven't gotten our autograph yet. Or any Judges or Otanis. Jace Young, rookie. Adele Amador, rookie. Brian Reynolds. And Jose Ramirez on the Power Players. Michael Wacha. Mason Miller Gold Cup. A Rosarena. And an all-edge Aaron Judge. Luis Arraez, Dustin Harris, Michael Touchman, Brendan Donovan on the Refractor. 2 packs to go. Carlos Navarez, Jazz Chisholm. Our autograph is Blake Dunn, rookie. And a Yoshinobu Yamamoto on the Future Stars. So there's our autograph. On card, of course. Base, actually, is it? Okay, that's good. And sleeve this bad boy up. So that's our hit. And let's see what we can get in this last pack. Maybe we'll get a little more color. And Pete Fairbanks. Christian Menina, rookie, Tyler Stephenson, and we wrap it up with an Adam Kloffenstein rookie refractor. So there we have it. Not a extremely overwhelming box. A couple of good player inserts. But there we have it. So as always, I appreciate you for staying by, watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my future content. And I'll see you guys soon.